I love to travel. It's one of the things that I'm most passionate about. And second to that is documenting the experience so that others can feel like they're along for the journey with me. But one of the hardest parts of doing these two things simultaneously is not letting the camera distract me from fully living in the moment. That's where Adobe Stock comes in. It's like a secret toolbox that fills the gaps, enhances the mood, and makes these moments feel cinematic, even if I didn't nail every single shot.
Proceed thoughtfully.
So the first thing that I do is I open up Adobe Premiere to import all the footage I got from my trip. I recently went to Yosemite National Park, and it's one of those rare places that literally has everything. Waterfalls, hikes, campfires, sequoia forests, all those raw memories that just want to come alive. Inside Premiere, I open the Adobe Stock Panel, then search for cinematic clips and motion assets that match my vibe. And unlike generic presets, these are real assets, licensed, professional, and ready to blend with my edit. You can download all of them in 4K ProRes at the highest quality right there within Premiere. I can explore and license assets freely with no download limits using the Adobe Stock Unlimited plan. Suddenly, it feels like a put together film, and the viewer feels like they're along for the ride. It doesn't just feel like random footage anymore. And don't forget the audio. Sound effects and music from Adobe are huge for immersion. I wanted this footage to feel like a lighthearted trip with your best friend. So within Premiere, I searched for some light folk music to match my vibe. Then simply dragged it into the timeline and lined it up where I wanted it. And lastly, to top it all off, I wanted to add a light burn transition from Adobe Stock to really pull the edit together. I searched for a burn transition, dragged it to the place where I wanted it, and just like that, the video feels complete. So whether you're telling a story about a place like Yosemite or just capturing a weekend escape, Adobe Stock gives you those extra layers that turn something good into something amazing. And with the Adobe Stock Unlimited plan, you can explore and license assets freely with no download limits. So you're never holding back creatively. Honestly, it makes building projects inside Premiere way more fun. So go grab the Adobe Stock Unlimited plan today and start transforming your content into something you never thought possible. Edit smarter, create better, and go tell your story.